Hello, family. I'm back and thank you very much for tuning in. Okay, so if you do peel your cucumber, then this video is for you. And especially if you do throw the cucumber skins away, then yes, you need to watch this to the end. What am I talking about? So, of course, when I'm making my cucumber salad, I tend to peel my cucumber, make my salad, but then I reserve the skin. Now, what's the process? Okay, so it's imperative that you do use your organic, yes, cucumber. But here I have got my organic cucumber, but I'm using my bicarbonate soda to, just scrub it. I think this is more of a trust issues that I'm having rather than anything else because it is organic, it says. So, yes. Anyway, so I'm just rubbing it over. So if, for example, you've got your normal cucumber, then yes, this would help get rid of as much as the pesticides that's been used or the wax that's been used. Now, a whole cucumber has less calories, zero fat. It does contain things like vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, manganese, and fiber. So it's one that can keep you full for much longer, and it also helps with your gut. Yes, cucumber helps you first thing in the morning. It just clears your colon beautifully. So for anything like constipation and stuff, cucumber should be your best friend. Anyway, so after peeling this, I'm just going to be using the cucumber itself for my salad, as you saw earlier. But now here I've got my cucumber skins and some ginger. And now the next thing I'm going to be adding to this is my baobab powder. Absolutely. Baobab in itself contains vitamin C, lots of antioxidants. It has key minerals as well, like potassium, magnesium, iron, and zinc. Absolutely. So this is definitely a powerhouse of a drink to enjoy. The next thing is I'm using honey, and this is available on buyindudu.com. Now, the honey that I've got has this beautiful mint base. Yes, not too sweet, it's just so. It's a must try, so grab one. So yes, I'm adding the honey for sweetness, but you can omit that altogether. You can enjoy this on its own without it. But if you've got sweet tooth, adding a little bit of honey doesn't spoil anything. At this point, we do need to blend this, and of course, I do need some water for it. So I'll do that and then using my strainer, strain it. Now, bearing in mind, you can enjoy this without straining it, and it's best to enjoy it straight away. Now, on this particular day when I filmed this, I just felt for something cold. So after straining it, yes, I chose to add some ice cubes to it. Now, remember, you can omit that altogether and just enjoy this and don't do any shenanigans or anything like that. But then again, it's in Dubai Fafa, and, we like to do some little cachet here and there. And then the next thing was, I was like, oh, I could just get a normal glass and just serve this in and, just enjoy. But no, I decided to go for a cocktail glass. Don't ask me why, but it just felt good. It just felt like, a healthy cocktail mocktail, may I say. Anyway, if you have watched this to the end, thank you ever so much. And if you did enjoy it, please leave a comment or two. Now, is there another recipe pertaining to cucumber that you'd like me to do? Yeah, leave your comments, leave your suggestions in the comment sections. And yes, I'll try and make that for you as well. You can grab the honey, as I mentioned earlier, on my website buyindudu.com, which also has incredible spice blends, sauces, seasonings. Yes, and a must try. Now, you'd also find traditional African recipes on my blog, indudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Indudu by Fafa, so pass by and say hi. Norel, thank you very much for my theme song. And on to my next recipe, kings and queens, take care of you, be nice, be beautiful, be gorgeous, and guess what? I love you for you. Thank you very much for supporting me. Much appreciated. I'll see you soon. Toodles.